What's going on, y'all? A lot of y'all been asking me about my food allergies and my cooking. Don't swipe. If you want to cook around alpha-gal and celiac, hey, I got a video coming for you, and I'll have a whole lot more coming for you. I was scrolling along and found this. I never posted it. But if you want to learn, I'm here to teach. I hope you enjoy. There'll be a lot more to come, and I'll get a lot better set up on my camera. What's going on, y'all? Hey, we in the kitchen. I've been getting a lot of inquiries about making a video on my cooking, not just pictures. So I said, hey, why not? So tonight we are going to do the first video. Try to get all the way through. This is a new one for me. I know y'all follow me on YouTube. I do a lot of fishing, filming on that, but this camera setup here is different. Maybe if I had a GoPro or something else. So it's going to be a little difficult. We're going to show you what we got here. We got green peppers, onions, potatoes. Hey, I go basic when I go with my seasonings. My grandmother always told me that if you want to just eat seasoning, pour it in a bowl. You want your food to taste like it's, the food is supposed to taste like. So I use basic seasonings, Obey, paprika, seasoned salt, salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder. I do a lot of cooking with olive oil. I got some canola oil right here. Now, whoop, we got one dish. All this is going in one dish, y'all. We're going to pause this, and we're going to get the other two ingredients. All right, y'all, we back. Look at here. We got some fresh corn. Food Line had a sale on it. Buy here, get here free or something another. I can't remember. Might have been $1 here, so I don't know. It's fresh. And we got us some chicken legs. So we're gonna get these green peppers and onions cut up. We're gonna get these potatoes cut up, and then we'll get the process started. We'll be right back. All right, y'all. Now I got my corn cut up. What I done is I got it cut up in little cubes. I got my potatoes cut up, little cubes. Onions sliced. Green peppers, whoop, sliced. Now, I got my chicken legs here. Excuse me. My chicken legs here have been marinating in olive oil, soy sauce, and Worcestershire sauce. Just a little bit of soy, just a little bit of Worcestershire. And when I say a little bit, like just a splash, splash. That's it. Roll it around in there. You don't want to overpower it. You just want a little bit. You want it to soak into the meat a little bit. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some olive oil. I'm going to put some olive oil down in my pan here. I'm going to sprinkle a mixture of my seasonings down. I'll lay my potatoes and my vegetables down and my chicken. And we'll stack. Woo! I'm getting all tongue-tied, y'all. Bloopers. We'll get this all fixed up. I got my oven preheating on 375. Alright, so let's get this going. Now, what I'm doing is I'm going to sprinkle a little fine mist of garlic powder. Y'all see? Alright. Now, we're going to take and sprinkle a little paprika. Basically, it's just for coloring. I mean, honestly, I can't tell. That's what my mama always done. Put it in her bread and makes your fish turn out real pretty brown. You're going to sprinkle just a tad bit of salt. Just a tad bit of pepper. When I say a tad, maybe a quarter of a teaspoon. Alright, so now we're going to layer and stack all of this, and then I'll sprinkle a little bit of seasonings back on the top. We're going to put it in the oven. We're going to bake it. We'll be right back. Alright, y'all. Voila, here we go. Let me get it down here close. Oh, me here. What we done was we laid green peppers and onions down. We put our seasonings down, green peppers and onions. Then we laid our potatoes, chicken, corn, all array around. Just however you like it. If one of these vegetables you don't like, pull it out. Don't matter. You don't like onions, don't put them in there. Then we took the soy sauce and Worcestershire sauce and the olive oil, and I took that the chicken had been marinating in, and I drizzled it all over everything, and I added more seasonings to it. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put this in the oven on bake for 30 minutes, 375. Then I'll turn it, check it if it needs more time, depending on your oven. All right, y'all, there it is. There's your finished plate. Enjoy. I know it's going to be delicious. I hope this helps somebody out. I know a lot of people has been asking me about this, and hey, here we go. We'll try to do some more with a little better footage, a little better filming, and I'll get better at it as I go, just like on my YouTube fishing channel. Hey, God bless all y'all and happy eating.